What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Hope everyone having a wonderful day. Today we're going to go work on the jet ski. Gonna head to the shop, show you guys what's going on in there, and then we're gonna do some work on the jet ski. I'll kind of catch you guys up on it, let you know what I've done so far and what I'm about to do to it today. Just got to the shop. Let's walk inside, see what's going on in there. There goes Austin Autumn with the slowest car on planet Earth. Here goes a 2019 Mustang GT50. It's pretty nice. Project car still sitting there as usual. Got another 50 over here doing a trans swap. Matt, say what's up to YouTube.
What up, guys?
Austin, shy as a... almost cussed. Time to work on the project ski.
Hello, YouTube.
Alright, so let me bring you guys up to speed where I got the jet ski from. Shout out to Bailey, Tornado Alley Outdoors. Gave me an awesome deal on the jet ski. I'll show you what it looked like before I started doing work to it. I'll put some pictures up right now. The jet ski itself is a 2000 Yamaha Wave Runner 800R, and underneath this blue paper towels is some color shift color. I'll show you how it got there. Had to wet sand, spray with a black base coat, and then add the color. To get the color change in there. I'll throw a video up right now what it looks like. All this mud looking stuff had a lot of die crush underneath it, and I used some Bondo glass to fill it in. Basically you just pour this out on the table, use this as your hardener, and then you just spread it around on all the dock rash. And your next step, it'll be sanding it all down, get it all nice and smooth and ready for paint. Next step will be sanding it down, which I'm about to do right now. Very next step is to grab your sander. You want to sand down all this fiberglass. Gonna start with 60 grit, sand it down, and then we'll up our grit after we use the 60 first. after me and my buddy Chris, shout out to him, thanks for helping. After we sanded all that down, here's what it looks like now. It's coming out pretty smooth after filling all the dock rash. We just gotta go over it with some fiberglass again and all these little rivets. All these divots, I mean. Filled it again, sand it down by hand again. And after that step, next step is getting it ready for paint. I'll see you guys on the next episode of Jet Ski Restoration.